वह क्या करता है? What does he do? What does he do? वह क्या चाहता है? What does he want? What does he want? क्या वह तुम्हें जानता है? Does he know you? Does he know you? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? क्या वो तुम्हारा भाई है? Is he your brother? Is he your brother? क्या वो यहाँ आता है? Does he come here? Does he come here? क्या तुम्हें पता है वो कहाँ रहता है? Do you know where he lives? Do you know where he lives? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या तुम कुछ सोच रहे हो? Are you thinking something? Are you thinking something? क्या कोई आ रहा है? Is anyone coming? Is anyone coming? कौन यहाँ आना चाहता है? Who wants to come here? Who wants to come here? तुमसे कौन बात करता है? Who talks to you? Who talks to you? उनमें से एक लड़की मेरी बहन है. One of those girls is my sister. One of those girls is my sister. इनमें से आधे पैसे मेरे हैं. Half of these money are mine. Half of these money are mine. इनमें से 2 कलम मेरी है. Two of these pens are mine. Two of these pens are mine. उनमें से 3 कपड़े मेरे हैं. Three of those clothes are mine. Three of those clothes are mine. क्या तुमने अपने कपड़े धो लिए? Have you washed your clothes? Have you washed your clothes? क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you had your food? Have you had your food? क्या तुमने कोई कार खरीदी है? Have you bought any car? Have you bought any car? राम 2 घंटे से क्या कर रहा है? What has Ram been doing for 2 hours? What has Ram been doing for 2 hours? तुम सुबह से क्या कर रही हो? What have you been doing since morning? What have you been doing since morning? मैं सुबह से पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ. I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. मम्मी सुबह से काम कर रही है. Mom has been working since morning. Mom has been working since morning. वह 2 घंटे से नाच रही है. She has been dancing for 2 hours. She has been dancing for 2 hours. क्या तुम खेलते हो? Do you play? Do you play? क्या तुम खेल रहे हो? Are you playing? Are you playing? क्या तुम खेल चुके हो? Have you played? Have you played? क्या तुम सुबह से खेल रहे हो? Have you been playing since morning? Have you been playing since morning? क्या तुम खेलोगे? Will you play? Will you play? क्या तुम कल खेल रहे थे? Were you playing yesterday? Were you playing yesterday? क्या तुम कल खेले? Did you play yesterday? Did you play yesterday? मैं अपने कमरे में हूँ. I am in my room. I am in my room. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं अकेली हूँ. I am alone. I am alone. मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है. There is no one with me. There is no one with me. क्या तुम कल अकेली थी? Were you alone yesterday? Were you alone yesterday? कल तुम कहीं जा रहे थे क्या? Were you going somewhere yesterday? Were you going somewhere yesterday? क्या तुमने मुझे कल देखा था? Did you see me yesterday? Did you see me yesterday? हाँ मैंने तुम्हें देखा था. Yes, I saw you. Yes, I saw you. कल तुम क्या खरीद रहे थे? What were you buying yesterday? What were you buying yesterday? मेरे पास आपका नंबर है. I have your number. I have your number. मेरे पास आपका नंबर था. I had your number. I had your number. शायद मेरे पास आपका नंबर होगा. Maybe I have your number. Maybe I have your number. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. मेरे पास एक कार थी. I had a car. I had a car. क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहते हो? Do you want to meet me? Do you want to meet me? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहते थे? Did you want to meet me? Did you want to meet me? तुम मुझसे क्यों मिलना चाहते हो? Why do you want to meet me? Why do you want to meet me? तुम मुझसे क्यों मिलना चाहते थे? Why did you want to meet me? Why did you want to meet me? तुम मुझे बता सकते थे. You could have told me. You could have told me. तुम यहाँ आ सकते थे. You could have come here. You could have come here. तुम मुझसे मिल सकते थे. You could have meet me. You could have meet me. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए. You should go. You should go. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए था. You should have gone. You should have gone. तुम्हें बात करनी चाहिए. You should talk. You should talk. तुम्हें बात करनी चाहिए थी. You should have talked. You should have talked. तुम्हें मदद करनी चाहिए. You should help. You should help. तुम्हें मदद करनी चाहिए थी. You should have helped. You should have helped. मम्मी किचन में होगी. शायद या हो सकती है. मम्मी would be in kitchen. मम्मी would be in kitchen. वह पार्क में होगी. शायद या हो सकती है. She would be in the park. She would be in the park. वह कॉफ़ी शॉप में होगा. शायद या हो सकता है. He would be in the coffee shop. He would be in the coffee shop. मैं अगले साल कॉलेज में होऊंगा. शायद या हो सकता है. I would be in college next year. I would be in college next year. दरवाजे पर पापा होंगे. शायद या हो सकते हैं. पापा would be at the door. पापा would be at the door. मैं उससे बात कर रही थी. I was talking to him. I was talking to him. अगर मेरी वीडियो से आपकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी भी इम्प्रूव हुई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.